morning, my loves. Alright, when I can't remember where I put the key, I put it in the side pocket of the loop. Do y'all like my new bag? I have them available to purchase if you want one. Inbox me. If anyone So we are headed to Home Goods and TJ Maxx and a couple of other places to look for some stuff for my new filming room and closet room. So we're on our way, and we're also gonna get some white paint. What was the color of the one we did in the salon? You know, the extra white? That's the one I want.
I don't know, I have to call my Sherwin-Williams rep.
Okay, call your Sherwin-Williams rep. So we're gonna do the extra bright white, and then 2 of the walls are actually brick, so it's gonna look really cool in there. And then I want my racks to either be white or gold, so we shall see what we can come up with. If I can't find white or gold, then we're gonna end up spray painting them like I do with everything. I love spray paint. So we are trying to get out of the parking garage. Just wanted you guys to know what we're gonna be looking for today, and hopefully you can follow this adventure with us. And don't forget to go and subscribe to our channel so you can see way more videos. Thanks, guys. Decorative. Christopher says you put a plant in this. I say that we put a candle because I kill plants. All right. Oh, we beeped. Oh, okay. Just kidding. All right, so there's our cute little bag. It says wear me, wash me. So my new room's gonna be white, gold, and just every once in a while a little touch of blush color. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. If you can't tell. Extra excited. Oh, wish it was not the day that Chick-fil-A is closed, because I could really do a sweet tea right now. Majorly. My car is so dirty, good lord. Put it in the back. Whoop whoop. Let me get a close up of that. Wear me, wash me. Yeah. Cute. Love it. We'll ride out of here on a lawnmower. I'm just kidding. Okay, so what we're doing is we're trying to do it the cheapest way we could possibly do this. So we've gotten these Rubbermaid shelves that we're gonna actually put all of my shoes on. Underneath it, we're gonna put these and spray paint these gold. And the very top shelf is gonna have this, and we're gonna take this thing off. Oops, just call me Grace because I'm clumsy. Anyways, they're gonna be these, and we're gonna hang all of the Louis bags on these. So I'm very excited about it. Next, we will go and find the spray paint and the extra white paint that we're gonna paint the walls with. And then we're gonna get the racks probably online. So I'll show you guys the online shopping with me when I get back. Okay, we're about to go into TJ Maxx and see if we need anything else. Got any thoughts? Huh? Are you ready? Come like a thief in the night.
Come to steal your soul and your money.
And your money. But give you great hair. Yeah. Contemplating this. adjust. Oh, it's going on. Here we go. We were coming to get the tomato soup, but because it's so hot outside, they didn't make it today. Bummer. So the freight yard is basically a place where, let me show you. It's right near our house and our business. It's really cool what they've done. Look at that grilled cheese, baby. Yeah. We haven't eaten anything all day, so we're hungry. Oh my God. The best.
Look at all the cheese coming off the back.
Cheese me.
What's up, y'all? My name is Will Randall. We're going to be playing some tunes this afternoon. Hope y'all are enjoying Memorial Day weekend. Lay back and smell the sun. Warm up the Georgia vibes. Feels so good to be taking it easy. Why would I ever leave? Cause I know I've got some good friends that live down the street. Got a good looking woman in her arms around me. Here is hometown. Here it feels like home. I got everything I need and nothing that I know.
All right. Thank you. You too. Do one thing every day that makes you happy.
Okay.
Yeah, check. He's pulling up so he can unload. Oh, he didn't just pull in regular. He's got to back it up. Back it up, babe. Beep, beep. Oh, perfection on the first try. What do you know? That's how he always is. He's a great parker. Okay, so we're in downtown Spartan. No, not downtown. We're on the east side of Spartanburg, and we're eating at the Standard, which is funny because this used to be a mill for Milliken. And Christopher and myself, actually, when we first got married, used to live in a little mill house right behind here. So we're here with the whole family. There's Grandma. There's sister. There's Mom. There's Dad. It's my dad. Christopher. Me. Me wine.
Yeah, I watch SpongeBob on that TV.
Do you, Grandma?
Yeah, I'm about to get tired of it.
I'm really sorry I forgot to show y'all the food again.
Who are you talking to?
My followers.
Oh.
Christopher, open this up. I'm trying to show it to him.
Yeah, but it ain't gonna look good now.
Okay, this is what Christopher got. And I got a really awesome salad with salmon on it and blue cheese crumbles and sesame seed dressing and avocado ranch. Sister's losing her mind right now because Grandma just asked us, who am I talking to? Grandma, do you understand the power of social media, Grandma?
I didn't know you had that many followers.
Here it is.
Dad's wearing Christopher's glasses. Oh no, those are Mom's. There's Dad's shoes I gave him. Dad, doesn't it remind you of that little fish, the little plank that would like play the music and talk to you? Don't worry, be happy. I can't wait for you to try them on in the parking lot for me. Oh yeah, it's gonna happen.
Me.
Sister. Were you cracked up, sister?
I know, but